Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Game Point. This is your host Amovan. In this video, we will be doing the full review for this Boat Bass Aids 315 earphones. So these are the budget-oriented earphones that you can get in India for just rupees 500 to 600, and in US for just $8 to $9. So I will be talking about these earphones and my overall experience since I'm using them for almost 1 week now, and now I will be surely telling you how this earphones is and what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages of these earphones and overall the sound quality of them. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Well, before we proceed the review, let me tell you one thing, that if you want to buy these earphones, then I have provided a link in the description below for Amazon. So if you want to buy them, you can just check it out, cause generally the price changes every day. Sometimes it's 550, sometimes it's 600 rupees. So you can check it out. The link will be in the description below. But now let's talk about the review and overall performance of these earphones. First, let's talk about the comfort. Well, these earphones are pretty much light in terms of weight, as you can see. Let me just show you that these earphones are just normal. It's not completely, bulky or something like that. The build quality is amazing. I will tell you later on about that. But as of now, if you talk about the comfort, then definitely the comfort of these earphones are great. If you just simply wear them in your ears, you will not notice that you are wearing them. It simply fits your ear completely within just one shot, and it definitely feels amazing. It doesn't feel bulky or it doesn't pain your ears, and it's very much comfortable to wear. And also, as you can see, this completely fits in your one ear, so you don't need to worry about that. And also, it depends upon your ear size also. There are 3 different types of earbuds provided in the box, so if your ear is big or small, you can change it accordingly to make sure it fits in your ear completely. Then if you talk about the build quality, then here I feel that Boat has done a great job, because the build quality of these earphones is amazing. As you can see, these earphones are completely made up of metal. This portion is made up of metal. Then again here, this portion is made up of metal. And also this button as well as this microphone, this portion also made up of metal. And finally this 3.5mm audio jack, and this portion is again made up of metal. So the entire build quality is made up of metal here. There is no use of plastic or any kind of cheap material. So in terms of feel and I would say overall look and feel, I feel they are pretty much great and they feel solid premium. And I also like the fact that though these earphones are made up of metal, they don't feel that much of heavy in terms of weight. They're so light that as I just told you, you won't even notice that you're wearing them in your ears. So definitely in terms of build quality and look and feel, Boat has done a great job. Also in terms of quality of the wire, I must say that the quality is great. It is a tangle-free cable, so that's why it won't be like completely stuck in your pockets or completely stuck in your bag. And the quality I feel is decent enough. I have tested. I've been using it roughly, and I have always put directly in my bag only whenever I am traveling. So I feel considering the price point, the quality of the wire looks decent enough and won't break easily. So you don't need to be worried about that. And also one thing I would like to tell you is that if you are using them, then you might be confused which one is the right one and which one is the left one, because there is no indicator here. There is an indicator here on the downside. I don't think so the camera will be able to capture it, but I'll tell you one simple trick. The earphone on which there is a microphone and this button, this is a right earphone and you need to insert it in your right ear, and this is the left one. So it will help you to judge which one should you wear in your right and which one should you wear in your left. And now finally, if we talk about the sound quality, which is the most crucial part, and let me tell you one thing, that sound is a subjective concept, so not everyone should be comfortable with this sound. You might be a person who likes bass, you might be a person who likes treble, so there's no 100% assurity that you will like these earphones according to your sound preference, but still I will tell you overall how is the sound quality and various aspects. First, let's talk about the loudness. I must say that these earphones are so loud that you don't need to always put the volume to 100%. I've been using them by keeping the volume to between 70 to 80%, so you don't need to always increase the volume up to 100, because they are so loud even at the 70% of volume that you don't feel that you need to increase the volume further. And I must say that though they are that much of loud, still the sound quality is amazing and they simply don't make the sound harsh to listen. The next thing, if we talk about the treble, then here I feel that the treble on these earphones is slightly on the higher side, though you can customize it according to the equalizer in your smartphone. You can make it low if you have a proper equalizer in your smartphone, but still if you keep the treble and everything equalizer to default, then I feel the treble is slightly on the higher side, though it doesn't make them pretty much bad to listen. But still, if you are a person who don't like treble that much, then you might be annoyed with this. But again as I just told you, you can customize it according to your equalizer, but still on default the treble is slightly on the higher side. Also, then if we talk about the mid-tones and highs, then here I feel the mid-tones are slightly on the lower side, but the highs are slightly on the higher side. It's the same case with every earphones as of now in this price range, as the mid-tones are not that much well optimized in every earphone. Of course, if you go higher and up your budget for more than 5,000, then at this price point you will definitely get better mid-tones quality type earphone. But still, considering the price point, I feel the mid-tones are satisfactory, and the highs are also great, that you don't need to always play with your equalizer. Even if I would suggest you, if you just leave your equalizer to rock music type, then I will feel that at this equalizer level, this earphone perform decently, and overall the sound quality in terms of treble, in terms of mids and highs, they feel decent enough. And now finally, if we talk about the bass quality, well, both are claiming these earphones as extra bass earphones, and they claim that it has great bass. Well, these earphones have decent amount of bass. The driver in these earphones is 9mm. So you might feel that considering 9mm of driver, this might give you great amount of bass, or you can say punchiness. Well, I would say not exactly, but also not bad. I would give the bass rating to almost 8 out of 10. If you're a person who likes to listen to a lot of EDM music, trance music, just like I am, and if you want the always extra bass level in always your music, then in such cases I won't say that his earphones have that much of bass. Yes, definitely the bass is amazing, I won't say it's bad, but again, if you want the perfect bass quality, then it's not for you. As I just told you, the treble is here slightly on the higher side, so I felt sometimes that the bass is lower. So I sometimes felt that the treble is slightly higher compared to bass, but still you can customize it according to the equalizer. But I feel, considering that they are claiming that the Bose is claiming them as extra bass earphones and bass oriented earphones, I feel the bass is not that much. Again, I have used them with all of the earbuds, so you might say that the earbuds are not comfortable in your ears, that's why you felt that the bass is not higher. But still, I have used all of the earbuds, and in every earbud I felt that the bass is great but not amazing. Again, I would suggest you use a proper equalizer application that will help you to enhance the bass. You can use the bass boosters, or even you can use the default settings in your equalizer settings to increase the bass. But still, considering that this earphone just cost rupees 600 to 700, I feel that in that price range, this is definitely one of the best bass oriented earphones at this price point. Also, though these earphones don't have any active noise cancellation, and which is obvious at this price point, but still I feel if you just wear it like this and you are just walking around, this just completely blocks out your complete ears. So it's a good thing and bad thing also. Some people likes it, some people don't likes it. If you are outside on the road and walking, then I won't suggest you, cause this kind of thing will block areas, so you won't be able to listen to outside noises. But if you are in house and you want to just simply listen to songs and enjoy the music, then in such cases this is a great thing, cause this, if you just wear them like this and put up the volume to almost 80%, then in such cases you won't be able to hear anything from outside, cause they generally blocks out your complete ear. So it's a good thing in my opinion also. So finally, if I give you my final verdict about these earphones, then I must say that the earphones are amazing. At this price point of just rupees 600 to 650, I feel you can't get anything better than this. I have seen many of the earphones such as Sennheiser CX180, then also many of the earphones from even Xiaomi, that is the Xiaomi Piston, and I must say that at this price point they perform amazing compared to all these earphones. This is the higher version of the Boat Basshead series. There are also many other variants such as Boat Basshead 300, 225, 220, and I must say that these are overall balanced earphones. Here the bass is balanced, the treble is balanced, the mid-tones and highs are balanced. So considering if you want a balanced kind of a sound, then definitely they will provide you the same quality sound at this price point. And that's why definitely these earphones become one of the best earphones under rupees 1000 or even $9. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this review of Boat Basshead 315. Again, do let me know what you think about it. If you are all agreed with me, then I really appreciate if you can click the like button below. And again, if you have any particular question regarding these earphones or any other earphones in this price range, then do let me know. I will surely try to help you. So yes, that's all for this full review then. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below or even here when the GP logo will appear to see some awesome technology related videos, some more tech product unboxing, reviews, and some tech tips and tricks videos in the future. So that's all for this video then. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is your host Amok signing off. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.